How would you feel if this happened when you go to buy a car? The salesman says it's extra for the engine, and we recommend the engine run subscription. It is only $100 per month, and you can run your engine as much as you want. Otherwise, you will be limited to 1 hour of engine operation per day. That sounds like you don't own your car. Can the automotive industry be improved? I believe it can be improved upon. I started the other car company to make life easier for the car buying customer. Here are the top 4 concerns I have found. Restore customer confidence in the car salesman. Right now, there's a disconnect between car sales and manufacturing. Make the salesman part of the car company. That way, he will have to follow company rules and guidelines. Reestablish customer confidence in car manufacturers. Right now, car makers have a limited number of color options and charge extra for every little improvement or option. We will have a wide palette of color options, both interior and exterior, and we will include all improvement options in the price of the car. Instill customer confidence in car maintenance and repair. Right now, cars are unnecessarily complex and geared towards dealer maintenance and repair. We will design our car to be maintenance friendly and easy to fix. We will provide our customers with the tools they need to fix their car. The cost of car repairs is too high. Most dealerships charge $100+ per hour for car maintenance and repair. We will provide the customer with workshops on how to fix their car. And we will charge a lot less per hour for car repairs, as well as provide a 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty. I have experienced it, talked to other people, and heard their stories. It appears that the issues weren't getting any better. Issues with sales and service, issues with maintenance and with repairs. We are going to change the way cars are sold, maintained, and repaired. But we can only do that with your help. Our vision as a company: make sure no one feels helpless in regards to their vehicle. Allow the customer total ownership of their vehicle. Our mission: build a vehicle that is affordable and sustainable. We are going to build a car that will wow you in the showroom, but not break the bank. Our cars will have all the latest features without the high price. The first step in this process is to build prototypes. It will not be easy or cheap. By my estimates, the other car company will need $17 million to build their prototypes. You can find a cost breakdown on our website, theothercarcompany.com. With your support, we will change the automotive world for the better.